Welcome to Georgetown Manor PA, where we have comfortable and high-quality two-bedroom apartments for rent in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Today I'll be taking you on a quick tour of the first floor unit at 475 East 5th Avenue. This apartment home is 860 square feet. You see, as we enter the front door, you have a spacious 240 square foot living room space with a separate dining room area. The carpeting in this unit is brand new. Moving on to the galley kitchen, this space has had multiple upgrades. We have modern cabinet hardware in here, new flooring, and an extra large sink with modern fixture. At the back here, you'll see this unit also has a dishwasher. Right down the hall, we have the smaller of the two bedrooms. This room is roughly 115 square feet with its own closet. This room would be great as a guest room, a work from home space, or even a craft room. Next up is the largest bedroom at the back of the hall. This room is about 165 square feet with a spacious walk-in closet. And right next door is the bathroom. This room has a full-size tub, new vanity and countertop, mirrored medicine cabinet, and a modern light fixture. Updated flooring in here as well. And if you need more storage space, there's a linen closet right behind the bathroom door. Lastly, we offer in-unit laundry in all of our apartment homes. The washer and dryer are both included to make doing laundry convenient and easy. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.